This is my friend Ibrahim after tonsillectomy. صديقي إبراهيم بعد عملية اللوز. He's gonna tell us something about the operation. هيقول لنا حاجة عن العملية. عايز تقول عربي إنجليزي اتفضل.
Yes. Okay. After the tonsillectomy, I feel very I feel more comfortable, and I am able to to eat better. I feel that. And I am able, I feel a major difference. I feel relief even in my breathing and even in my sinuses. I'm able to smell better.
Okay.
And
هو بيقول لنا يا جماعة إنه بعد العملية نفسه وأكله وبلعه ابتدى يتحسن شوية زيادة. Okay. Did you ever imagine you have such a huge tonsil?
No, actually, I knew it was abnormal, but I didn't know it was to this extent. I didn't know it was super huge. I didn't know it was almost touching. I didn't know it was this big of a problem. I knew I had a problem, but I didn't expect it to be like that.
أنا بسأله هو كان متخيل إنها ضخمة للدرجة دي، هو ما كانش متخيل الحجم بتاعها، إنها كانت almost هما لامسين بعض يعني، فحاجة ضخمة جدا. Okay. Do you recommend tonsillectomy for anyone in your age? Is age a problem?
Actually, I wish I did it earlier, but it's not as bad as people think it is.
Okay.
It's actually really, I definitely recommend it, especially if they have a condition like mine's. Highly recommend it, actually, highly recommend it. I still haven't fully recovered and I feel amazing. I can only imagine after a week later, after my 3rd week mark, I feel even better. I know it for sure.
أنا بسأله أنت بترشح استئصال اللوز لأي حد